Speed matters in online shopping, and a slow website can cost you sales. In this video, I'll walk you through the best practices to optimize your e-commerce website's performance. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. If you run an e-commerce site, you know every second counts. Faster load times lead to higher conversion rates and better customer satisfaction. So, what can you do to make sure your website performs at its best? In this video, we'll cover 10 key steps to optimize your e-commerce website for speed and efficiency. Let's dive in. Your hosting provider is the backbone of your website's performance. Choosing a cutting-edge hosting infrastructure ensures that your site can handle high traffic, especially during peak shopping times. Look for a hosting service that offers high uptime, fast server speeds, and scalable resources. Cloud-based hosting solutions are often a great option because they allow for flexibility and easy scaling as your business grows. With Rapyd Cloud's high-performance hosting, your e-commerce site can benefit from advanced technologies like SSD storage, dedicated resources, and load balancing. This ensures that even during traffic spikes, your website remains responsive, fast, and reliable. Running your e-commerce website on the most up-to-date PHP version can significantly improve performance. PHP powers many WordPress and e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce, and newer versions are designed to be faster and more secure. Each version of PHP introduces performance optimizations that can reduce execution times and memory usage. Outdated PHP versions not only slow down your site but also expose it to security vulnerabilities. Make sure you're using a hosting provider that supports the latest PHP versions and offers an easy way to update them. Caching is one of the most effective ways to improve your website's load times. By storing static versions of your pages, caching reduces the amount of data that needs to be processed each time a user visits your site. This means faster load times for your customers and less strain on your server. Plugins like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache can be easily integrated into your WordPress site. Many hosting providers like Rapyd Cloud also offer built-in server-side caching, which can further enhance your site's speed. A content delivery network or CDN can dramatically improve your website's performance by distributing your site's content across multiple servers worldwide. Instead of serving content from a single location, a CDN ensures users are loading your website from the server nearest to them. This reduces latency and speeds up load times for users no matter where they are. Integrating a CDN like Cloudflare or StackPath with your e-commerce site is simple and highly effective. Large, unoptimized images are one of the most common reasons for slow websites. By compressing images and using modern file formats like WebP, you can drastically reduce the file sizes without losing quality. Tools like TinyPNG or plugins like Smush can automatically optimize images when you upload them to WordPress. Additionally, make sure you're using the right image dimensions for each section of your site. By optimizing your images, you'll significantly improve load times, enhancing the user experience and potentially boosting your conversion rates. Minification is the process of removing unnecessary characters from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Smaller files load faster, which means your website will perform better. You can use plugins like Autoptimize or WP Rocket to automatically minify these resources. Minifying your code won't change how your site looks or functions, but will significantly reduce the time it takes for pages to load, especially on mobile devices where performance is critical. Render blocking resources are elements that delay a web page from loading completely. These often include JavaScript or CSS files that are loaded before the content on the page. To improve performance, make sure to defer or asynchronously load JavaScript files. This allows your site to load the most important content first and delay non-essential scripts. Many WordPress plugins like Async JavaScript can help manage these settings. Eliminating render blocking resources is a quick win to improve load times, especially for mobile users who can be on slower connections. Your website's CSS plays a crucial role in how fast your website loads. but large unoptimized CSS files can slow things down. You can optimize your CSS by removing unused styles, compressing the file, and reducing the number of external CSS files your site loads. Tools like Purify CSS or the aforementioned Auto-Optimize plugin can help you streamline your CSS, making your site lighter and faster without compromising design. Each time a user visits your site, their browser makes multiple HTTP requests to load the various components such as images, CSS files, and scripts. The more requests, the longer it takes for your site to load. By reducing the number of HTTP requests, you can speed up your e-commerce site considerably. You can do this by combining files like CSS and JavaScript, using sprites for images, and minimizing plugins that add extra scripts. This results in fewer requests, faster load times, and a better user experience. Application Performance Monitoring or APM tools give you insight into how your website is performing in real time. Tools like New Relic or Google Lighthouse help you monitor everything from page load times to bottlenecks in server performance. With these insights, you can quickly address any performance issues before they impact your customers. Regular monitoring ensures your site stays fast and functional. Optimizing your e-commerce website requires the right tools and a solid infrastructure. That's where Rapyd Cloud comes in. With high-performance hosting, built-in caching, scalable resources, and full support for modern technologies like PHP 8 and CDNs, Rapyd Cloud ensures that your site is always running at its best, ready to deliver fast, reliable shopping experience to your customers. So there you have it, 10 proven best practices to optimize your e-commerce site's performance. By following these steps, you'll not only create a faster site, but also improve the overall experience for your customers, leading to higher conversion rates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on web performance and e-commerce success. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.